Everybody's attention. No one gets hurt. Go! Open the door. They'll get worse than hurt. Hey, come on! Finally!
Don't do anything. Oh.
Go! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Come on! Hands right back.
Come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it. Get in there.
Sit tight. I'll handle the plastic.
Don't blow yourself up. Listen up.
What's he
In the
doing?
back. Come on.
Kill us in here.
All right.
Leave us alone. We didn't do shit to you.
All set. Phone it in.
I'm making the call.
Oh, there it is. Remember, just the non-sequential. There's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
We gotta move. Coming out, B.
Give it up. I got him. I saw your face. I'll remember you.
Get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes. He's crazy.
No one's crazy. I think.
Be cool.
Come on. You didn't have to do that.
Let's get going. There'll be time for grieving later.
Yeah, you got that right.
Come on.
What are you doing? Find some cover. I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer for breaking stuff.
Oh, fuck. You hear that? Siren.
Fuck the cops. T, hit the shutter switch.
What's this? Local resistance?
It ain't supposed to go down like this.
It never is. Come on, go!
Don't be an idiot.
They answered the wrong call. No fucking cops.
What the fuck is this?
You shouldn't have been a cop.
Fuck these guys. Get out of here.
Back the fuck down. We bring it to him.
Who's this?
Hey! Wrong profession.
Get in their faces. Drop it. Get out the window. Let's go.
Don't be as dumb as you look. Can't be many more cops in this town.
Bring up. This is fun, man. The thing is full.
I got my share. It's still wide open.
Cars up here.
Oh, come on.
The kid let it fail. This wasn't even the job description.
Move! Move! Move!
Move. We're coming through.
Blame the prince who called you out here.
Come on. Get to the driver.
He better be there.
Keep going. Let's move. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go.
In here now.
What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive.
Come on.
Damn, this nigga must got the baby dick.
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh? Shit, for real, homie. Damn, this motherfucker got robo roof and everything, nigga. He should have paid the nizzo. You gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us. Hell yeah, I wanna see what it do. Hey, hit me on the speakerphone, dog. Oh boost like that? Show, homie.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Fine. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. So Simeon ain't about to got my bed.
Homie, man, you need some bread? I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace. Homie, I'm good.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Whatever, homie.
Damn, dog, how much you get for these repos? I'm gonna be one reluctant motherfucker giving this up.
Man, there's enough bad credit going around, homie. It's like it's an endless supply in this fucked up ass country.
Keep busting, love.
Hey, screw you too, homie.
Up here, through the studio. Let's show these movie people how we do.
Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Down this dirty motherfucker.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Now I'm laughing while head is giving. No fucks are given ever, cause I'm riding to the core. Yeah.
That's meant to be your shit.
Whatever you say.
Left here.
Man, I'm sorry, fool. Alright.
Lines cutters rolled up in the waistband of the old lines. You thought you had your little
Shit.
bitch truck you out with street.
Keep up, homie.
Please, homie.